Vaseline, it's not just for your skin. This little jar of magic can transform your photography into something extraordinary. If you are drawn to soft, dreamy and poetic images, you will love this technique, as you can transform just about any subject into something interesting and exciting. Hi, I am Eva Polak, and today I am going to show you how to use Vaseline to create stunning impressionist images. With just a few simple tools, you can turn everyday subjects into artistic masterpieces. Let's get started. Here's what you need: a tripod, a skylight filter, or a piece of clear glass that will fit into your cocoon filter holder. You will also need, of course, Vaseline and a soft absorbing cloth. With your camera on a tripod, set it into a manual focus, as autofocus may not work. Compose an image, and as you look through the viewfinder, visualize where you want a soft, dreamy effect to appear. Now the fun part. Use a very small amount of Vaseline, just touch your finger to the jar. Start smearing it on the glass in any direction, horizontal, vertical, diagonal, or even circular. Each smear direction creates a different diffusion effect. Horizontal smears will create vertical diffusion of your image, and vertical smears will create horizontal diffusion. Try applying Vaseline with diagonal smears, circle smears, and so on. Just experiment with different shapes to see what happens. Don't be afraid to try something radical. Check your preview to see the result. Experiment with lighting and subjects to uncover unique results. After taking a picture, check the preview for the result. If needed, adjust your exposure setting and focus, reapply the Vaseline in a new shapes, or wipe the glass clean and start again. Vaseline can damage your camera and lens if it gets on them. So remember to wipe your finger after each shot. Use a soft cloth to clean the glass after every few shots. Protect your lens, never apply Vaseline directly to it. Play with smears to create abstract patterns and shapes. If you have enjoyed learning the Vaseline technique, you would love diving deeper into the world of impressionist photography. Using Vaseline, it's just one of the many ways to create magical painterly effects in camera. If you would like to explore more in-camera techniques, consider joining my online course Fundamentals of Impressionist Photography. In this course, I guide you step by step through the essential of creating expressive and artistic photographs, all using your camera. Whether you are a beginner or looking to expand your skills, you will discover creative methods to transform your photography into a form of visual art. The beauty of the Vaseline technique is in its simplicity and endless possibilities. With just a little experimentation, you can create images that feel like paintings, full of emotion and mystery. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial inspiring, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative photography tips, and share your Vaseline masterpieces in our Facebook group. Link in the description below. And if you are ready to take your skills further, don't forget to check out my online course. Until next time, keep creating.